So right here we have our whole New York strip loin. We're going to start by kind of cutting that down. We're going to take a little bit of the fat off and trim it up a little bit. I'm first going to start by taking this side.
This is a beautiful piece of meat. And are there bones in this?
There is no bones in
Okay.
this. No, this is completely bone free.
All right. Now you do all of your butchering in-house at the restaurant.
We do the good majority of it, absolutely. Yeah.
So you're just basically looking to trim off a lot of that fat.
Yeah, because there's a lot of excess fat on the top and around the sides, so we want to kind of get rid of that and get it so there's about 1/4 of an inch of fat all the way around.
Nice. Now, do you do any aging? Like, do you dry age your steaks?
Well, these actually come in wet aged.
Okay.
So usually right around the minimum on our strip steaks, about 28 to 32 days just to start.
That's great.
I'm going to set this trim piece aside.
Okay.
And then we can start cutting down through. And I'm looking for about a 16-ounce portion right now.
All right. So you just eyeball that?
Yep.
That takes a lot of skill.
A lot of practice.
Yeah.
So after we get that, we can then go and continue trimming out more if we'd like.
Okay.
So I'll take a little bit of this excess fat here.
So 16 ounce, that's a big steak.
It's all right.
I mean, that's a pretty big piece of meat.
So I'll cut a couple more of these.
I think one thing you guys are definitely known for is having really generous portions. So
absolutely. I think steakhouses in general, that's kind of what the expectation is.
You won't go hungry, that's for sure.
Not at all.
And about how many steaks will you get out of this piece?
This particular one right here, we'll probably get about 12 usable portions.
Nice.
Yeah. So I think that's good enough for now.
Yeah.
So we show right here different cuts that we had, or the 3 different cuts that we used.
This is like one steak for everybody in the room right now.
Yeah.